Hi everyone, welcome to my channel My World. So today we are doing a makeup look series again. So I have created this look which is little metallic grey and a brown combination of brown. I've used colorful colors as well. So I wanted to create a look which is dramatic at the same time, very colorful and very intense, and I am actually loving this look. So in case you are interested, then keep on watching. Bye.
Hi everyone, so starting off, I've already sprayed my favorite Gulabberry spray gel or whatever it is. So I've already done that. Now we will be moving ahead using our favorite Savannah primer. Primer is very important and it's one of the silicone based primer, and so take tiny bit and then apply all over your face. So basically, whenever you are doing any makeup, do apply a primer, so it helps you to stick your makeup for a long period of time, and it's like a base, right? Base for a makeup, so that it's gonna stay. Moving on, I'm taking out one of my favorite foundation. This is Maybelline in the shade of 230 Natural Buff. I would be applying this foundation all over my face using my favorite Real Technique brush, which is foundation brush. So all you have to do is apply whatever way you want to, preferably downward motion, and then once you're done applying it all over your face, we will be blending with our Real Technique brush, which is multitasking brush. So I think guys, in case you guys wanted to have a brush, which makeup brush you want to buy to start your basics, I think I've already done a makeup brush video, do check out that. So I would be using this multitasking brush and blending all the foundation on my face. So once you're done, that's how the look will gonna look like. But I can see that there is some part which is missing, which is not covered with foundation, so I am just now if you can see around my forehead area, so I have applied again. So finally the look after foundation would look like this. So you can see that it's giving a very natural look, not a cakey one, so that's what I really like about the product. Now taking the Milani primer, which is eyeshadow primer, and it's one of my favorite eyeshadow primer. So again, like I said before, primer is very important. Same goes for the eye makeup. So and it is tested one. I have used this primer and done my eyeshadow eye makeup basically, and I've seen result. It's stay for like at least 8 to 9 hours. So now we will start off our eye makeup, and today I'm planning to do before this eye makeup to go for a blush look. So I want to apply blush first before doing my eye makeup. So we are using Maybelline Coral blush. This is in the shade Coral, and all you have to do is make a fish face and just apply on your cheekbone. So it's one of the pretty blush which I really like. And now we are using Kiko eyeshadow in the shade brown, and I'll be filling my eyebrows. So this is one of the eyeshadow which is very perfect for my eyebrows, since my eyebrows are very light, so it's very much required that I should fill them. I haven't tried the grey one or the one which Maybelline have launched. So basically I don't have any eyebrow kit, but soon I'm thinking to buy an eyebrow kit because my eyebrows are very light. So I generally use the lighter version of brown or this one from the Kiko to fill in my eyebrows. So once you are done, you will look like this. And now we'll just put a gentle massage. We'll do gentle massage on eyebrows, and just to double check whether it's not overboarded, we'll do that. So yeah, now comes the best part, which is my favorite part. Let's do our eye makeup. I'm using this Lakme 9 to 5 eyeshadow quad. I've already reviewed this in my mini haul, and it's one of my favorite, and again the June month favorite as well. So today I'm using this metallic color. This is gunmetal color, basically the grey metallic. So to make the look very colorful, I'll be using other colors like purple. So what we have done, we have just covered the entire eyelid while using this gunmetal color. All you have to do right now is blend this color by using any brown or any shade whatever you have. So once you have this brown, just use any blending brush. I am using the Real Technique one, and it's one of my favorite blending brush. And see the difference, guys. So once you start blending, both the colors just get mixed up, and it created a different look. So the best idea to do your eye makeup is always open your eyes and do makeup. So it helps you not to go overboard. So if you see, my eyes are very small. If I go above my crease area, I'll look bakwas basically. So that's how I do my eye makeup. I'm not an expert. I'm also learning like you guys. So now we'll do the same, and now that's how both the eyes will look like. So I'm also doing a little touch up over here on the other side of eyes, just blending it again and using circular motion and just blend it over. So once you are done, we are all set. Now always just look at the mirror, just check whether it's all fine, all seamless. It's always good to double check. And now I'm just planning to do a colorful look today with this gunmetal. So I'm using the purple eyeshadow and putting this all over my around my lower waterline, not on the waterline but around the waterline. So using again the angular brush and just applying the eyeshadow and just putting all around my waterline. So you have to be very patiently while applying this, because you have to work in a very small section over here. So just put it and just drag it. Just put it and just drag it. All you have to do it. So that's how you will do. In case you guys want to do if you guys have this kind of eyeshadow, basically this brush, this angular one, even you can make a wing liner using the eyeshadow. Maybe I'll do a video on that in my coming makeup series. How do I use for the eyeshadow. So that's how it will look like. And now to intensify the lower waterline, let's let's first put a generous amount of mascara, and then we'll move on the waterline area. So be cautious while applying mascara. You can see that on one of my eye I've just put it. So mascara always help your eyes to look bigger, and I think initially I don't used to like mascara a lot, but I can see it is very important part of my life now. So again, I'm taking the Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and just to intensify the look, I am putting all on my lower waterline. So I'll repeat the same step on the other eye. If you want, you can use the nude color, all up to you. Again, nude colors also helps you to look your eyes bigger basically. So yeah. So now again, taking the pink eyeshadow, I'll just put it on my brow bone area, just to give a little highlight on that area. And once you're done, we would be taking the Essence liquid liner. It's one of my favorite liner. I really love the tip of this liner. It helps me to work very effortlessly for my wing liner. So it's up to you. You want to stretch it out or you want to open your eyes. It's up to you. I think for me the stretch out thing is not working great. I like to do my eye wing liner or any liner while opening my eyes. So it helps me to work in area where I need to apply the entire eyeliner. So you can see, you just try. It's all about trying and getting master on that. So all you have to do is follow your eyes basically. So I'm creating a very thin line, thin wing liner, and just we'll just mix it with the purple one. So once you're done, you will look like this. Again, as I said, we'll just mix it with the purple one, which is down the waterline area. So you can see now you use a very dull metallic color, but with the pop of color, the look got changed. So I'm now using the makeover lip liner in the shade pink, and I'll just apply all over my lips. So I've seen that whenever you do opposite mixing of color like pink or purple or pink or red, I can see there is difference in the lipstick and the color get changed, not drastically, but there's a hint of brightness comes on your lips. So that's how I'm nowadays I'm just not going for nude and mixing the red. So I'm just making pink red, pink purple, pink brown. So it is one of the trick which I have identified. So that's how the lip liner would look like. Now I'm a little confused which lipstick to go for. I think I'll go for this Maybelline. This one is from the Faces range, and a very inexpensive lipstick, and in the shade of purple. This is again one of the dupe of MAC Rebel, I believe. So it's not a matte, it's a semi matte, but the formula is very nice. It will not make your lips dry. So we have a lot of colors in this range, guys. Do give it a try. So once you're done, just give it a little touch up around lips, and just kiss both of your upper and lower lips, and that's the finished look. You can see that my eyes are looking so bigger, so wide now. So now I'm just planning to do a little hair style as well. So this is one of the hairstyle which I've learned from Shruti Anand, which is one of our famous YouTuber here in India. So all I have to do is taking the two section of my from both the side, just take a two section of the hair, just twist it both of, just twist them. I hope I'm making sense. All you have to do, you have to take 2 cents. You don't have to braid it. You just have to twist it. That's what you have to do. I think people who have silky hair will look very beautiful in this kind of hairstyle, but it did work out for me also. So all you have to do is just clip it with any of your bobby pin. I'm using my favorite one from the one which I've already talked in many of my videos. It's from the west side, and just clip it. You want to cross it or whatever works, just do that. So that's it. So looking very beautiful, right? So I will be doing the same in the other section, taking the two section of my front hair and just twisting it. This is called rope braid, guys, and just twist it. That's what you have to do. And once you're done, just clip it. So this kind of hairstyle, what I believe that I feel that basically, so it helps you to so people who have like messy hair like me, the often hair comes around your face and you want to be like little polished. I think this works really well. So that's how the hairstyle will look like. I'm not sure whether you guys liked it, but yeah, let me know in the comment section. So that is our finished look, guys. I hope you have enjoyed. I'm really loving the hairstyle and the eye makeup which turned out to be. I'm just cleaning the mascara which is there on my eyes. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section which one do you like. Love you guys. Bye bye.